Welcome back to MTH Health. In today's video, we're diving into the science and process behind one of the most popular hair removal techniques, waxing. Stick around, and we'll cover everything you need to know to make your waxing experience smooth and pain-free. So, what exactly is waxing? Waxing is a semi-permanent hair removal technique that pulls hair out from the root. It involves applying melted wax to the skin and quickly removing it along with unwanted hair. This leaves your skin smooth and hair-free for weeks at a time. When you apply warm wax to your skin, it coats each hair, making it easier to grip. Once the wax cools, it holds tightly onto the hair shaft. When you pull the wax strip away, the hair is removed from its root. This may sound intense, but this process actually helps keep hair from growing back quickly. There are several types of wax you can choose from, each with its own benefits. Soft wax is typically used with strips and works great for larger areas, like legs and arms. Hard wax, on the other hand, is applied directly and then peeled off without strips, ideal for sensitive areas, like the face or bikini line. Why choose waxing over shaving? Unlike shaving, which only cuts hair at the surface, waxing removes hair from the root. This means you stay smooth for longer, usually 2 to 4 weeks, depending on your hair growth cycle. Plus, regular waxing can make hair grow back finer and softer over time. There are plenty of benefits to waxing. For starters, it gives you longer-lasting results. Over time, you may even notice that your hair regrows thinner and softer. Waxing also doubles as a mild exfoliation, removing dead skin cells and leaving your skin fresh and glowing. Now, let's address the burning question: does waxing hurt? The answer is yes, it can. But the pain usually lessens with each session. The good news is that waxing pain is quick and often gets easier as you get used to it. Taking a deep breath and relaxing can make a huge difference. Here are some tips to make your waxing experience smoother. Exfoliate a day or two before your session to help prevent ingrown hairs. Make sure your skin is clean and dry before applying wax. And if you're sensitive to pain, avoid waxing right before your period, as skin can be more tender. After your wax, there are a few things you'll want to keep in mind. Avoid hot showers, saunas, or intense workouts for 24 hours. Keep your skin moistured, but avoid using any heavy creams right after the session. Also, try wearing loose clothing to let your skin breathe. Let's debunk some common myths. First, no, waxing doesn't make hair grow back thicker. In fact, it usually grows back finer. Another myth: waxing won't lead to wrinkles or permanently damage your skin when done properly. And there you have it, a complete look at how waxing works and why so many people choose it for long-lasting hair removal. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more health and beauty tips from MTH Health.